The Goods and Service Tax Council has decided to levy a uniform 28% tax on full face value for online gaming, casinos and horse racing. The government is now expected to bring in a legal amendment to facilitate this in the monsoon session of Parliament. GST Council's decision has created huge tremors in the gaming industry, especially where money is involved. Most of the stakeholders of this booming industry feel their game is over. They claim this move will lead to the loss of revenue to the exchequer and the loss of employment too. But the centre has allayed the fear. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman saying the intent was not to end any industry linked to online gaming, but they can't be encouraged to such an extent over essential goods and services. So what will be its impact on the gaming industry and gamers? Let's try and decode that first up. We bring you the arguments from both sides. Those who are for this levy, it's a major contribution to the exchequer because the overall industry is estimated nearly 10 billion. Again, it hampers the capacity for the sector growth. Those who are again saying entry barriers for startup and threat of job losses, and it impacts the vision to make India a global gaming hub. Those who are for saying it's a level playing field between online and traditional gaming. That can't equate skill-based games with chance-based games. It emboldens black market and offshore gaming platforms. These people will all move their base to other areas like Dubai, etc., Singapore, etc. It creates clarity in the sector riddled with revenue probes. And those who are again saying it sends mixed signals to investors. Paisa lagaye ki nahi, because it will become a policy black mark. Government earlier recognized separate status and potential of this sector, many say. And you waited, you allowed this industry to grow for 10 years. Why didn't you put the rules then? Why did you set up a framework when we were setting shop? Ab dukaan khadi hogi, paise lag gaye sabka, ab aap tax laga rahe ho, why are you doing? That's another question. Now we try to tell you how this will impact all of us, you, me, if we are involved and money is involved. 28% GST impact. You pay 100 rupees as pot entry. Rupees 72. The pot entry, you pay 100 rupees, your pot entry is only 72 because 28% is lost flat up right at the top. The platform fee is 10 rupees. This is a hypothetical number. So you win only 62 rupees. And of that, you get only 43.4 because there is 30% loss to TDS. So net investment is 100. Winnings is 50 rupees if you are lucky, net income. 100 रुपया लगाओगे तो 50 तो गया, 50 ही मिलेगा. That's what happens because entry पे भी tax है और exit पे भी tax है. GST plus TCS. Now, so what's the current status of online? India's online gaming industry right now, the market in 2022 was $2.8 billion. The market in 2025 is estimated to be $5 billion. Gamers in 2022 were 420 million gamers. In 2025, it is expected to go above 500 million gamers. India's gaming industry is emerging as the world's largest gaming hub with a focus on digital entertainment, cutting-edge innovation. State of India Gaming Report for the year 2022 by Interactive Media Venture Capital Fund, Lumikai, finds that gaming is growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 34%. 120 million paying users with approximately $20 revenue per paying user. $20 revenue per paying user. That's nearly 150 rupees plus. Largest consumer of mobile games with 15 billion downloads in 2022. Average weekly time spent by gamers was 8.5 hours during 2022. This is post-COVID. 8.5 ghante every week on gaming. Relaxation, making money, killing time are the motivations to play games, and there is a certain amount of addiction. Newer content, better in-game items, making money are drivers for paying users. Joining us now is the co-founder